Welcome back to Farawa. Today I will be showing you how to make granola bars. I actually filmed and made this video back in May, if you can believe it. But the good thing about this is that you can enjoy this recipe in any season. These bars are great for protein and energy on hikes, biking, work, picnic, and more. Here are the ingredients: 2 eggs, 3/4 cup of peanut butter. I'm using smooth peanut butter only because this was filmed in the early months of quarantine and that's what we could get. But either crunchy or smooth should work just fine. 3 cups of oats, a 1/2 cup of chocolate chips, 1/3 cup of maple syrup, and feel free to add any extra ingredients such as dried fruit like apricots or cranberries, and nuts for more protein like almonds or walnuts. You'll need a medium-sized bowl, measuring cups, measuring spoons, a baking sheet, and a heat source. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 176 degrees Celsius or centigrade. Then, combine all of the ingredients into the mixing bowl. I nearly forgot to add the chocolate chips, which would have been fine, but I would prefer for there to be a little chocolate. Anyway, once you've added your ingredients, mix well. Next thing is to transfer the mixture to a baking sheet. Smooth and pat down. Shape, smooth, and pat down. I shaped mine into a rectangle, but you can do pretty much whatever shape you want. Add any more extras if you want, like cranberries, walnuts, or maybe some more chocolate chips. Next, you'll bake it in the oven for 12 minutes. Once it is done, transfer onto a surface with a breathable bottom so the underneath does not get soggy and steam itself. It may start to break, so be careful. You can still mold most of it back together once it is transferred. Let it cool for at least 10 minutes. Then, cut into rectangles, or squares, or triangles, or whatever shape you want. This makes a nice homemade treat for when you're on an adventure.